Video, I'm going to show you how you can get loans for bad credit up to $1,000 with your phone. And the great part, there is no hard inquiry to apply for these loans, and you can qualify for these instantly. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have additional packages for purchase to remove your negative items. So let's jump into this information. Now, the first loan that you can check out is Dave. Now, with Dave, you can get up to $500 instantly with no credit check, no late fees. And with Dave, they will not be doing a hard inquiry in order for you to qualify for this loan. Now, you can get approved up to $500 in 5 minutes or less. And when you download the Dave app and connect it to your bank account and transfer your money into your Dave spending account, you can settle it later with no interest or no fees. So this is a great way to get an emergency loan. With Dave, you can also control how you spend, budget, and deposit money with your Dave spending account. You can also earn up to 15% cash back when you use the Dave Debit MasterCard and round up your purchases for savings. Dave also offer help support and no hidden fees, security and fraud protection, and you can be insured up to $250,000 with their FDIC protected account. In order to qualify for Dave, you must have a membership for $1 a month and also have a bank account with direct deposit and be 18 years of age or older in order to qualify for the loan. Next on the list of apps, we have Possible Finance. Now with Possible, there is a soft pull credit check to qualify, which will not affect your credit score. You can borrow $500 instantly, no late or penalty fees ever, pay over time in 4 installments and minimize your mounting debt and build your credit history. They also offer a credit card where you can unlock a $400 or $800 credit limit instantly. You can apply in minutes, no credit check or deposit, and it's 0% interest forever, no late fees ever, and it's at $8 or $16 monthly fee. You can pay over time in 4 installments and build your credit history. To qualify for this loan, you must be 18 years of age or older, have a checking account with 3 months of history, and receive direct deposits totaling $750 or more. The next loan app is Beem. Beem, you can get instant cash for your emergencies, and you can get a loan from $20 up to $1,000 instantly. There's no income restrictions, no tips, no due dates, no interest, or no credit checks with this app. You can receive money instantly into your Beem account or into your debit card, or you can choose a fancy gift card or get paid as gift cards or prepaid cards, whichever one that you choose. Now with Beem, there's no interest, no credit checks, but you need to be subscribe to Everdraft to get the instant cash for the emergencies. Now you have the subscriptions that you must have in order to do this is the Plus subscription, which is $2.47 a month. You can get up to $50 of a cash advance. And with the Pro subscription, which is $9.97 per month, you can get up to the $1,000 cash advance. You need one of those subscriptions to qualify for those cash advances, and you must be 18 years of age and older and have a bank account, and you must be able to allow that bank account to connect to Plaid so they can see your eligibility and determine your cash advance. Now, the last and final app is Albert. Now, with Albert, you can get up to $250 in 2 minutes with no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. So with this app, it allows you to get that money instantly for your emergency. Now with Albert, the great part, there's no subscription that you are required to have this service, and you can get an instant delivery of your cash for a small fee. There's no credit check with this, and it has very minimum requirements to qualify. You only need your bank account for 2 months, have positive balance in your bank account. So meaning that your account is not in the negative, to be employed with the same employer for at least 2 months. You must have your income deposited into your account that you're connecting, and you must have your recent paycheck was received on time and the funds were still available at least 24 hours after your payday. Hopefully this video was helpful. I will leave the links for these products in the comment section and in the description of the video. If you have questions for me, just drop it in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the next video.